Alright, here we go. Video for the red. Let's see. Go in here and type live. Alright, we get a time of 2:01 p.m. January 28th, 2:01. Alright, world clock shows a time of 2:02. 2:02. Alright, so we're going to go to the list. Copy the list. Alright, go to multi-rounds. New giveaway. Alright, this is my practice red video. Alright, we're going to roll the dice. We're going to roll 3. Alright, I got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Alright, we're going to paste all the names. There's everybody. Okay, and we're going to begin the giveaway. Yes, take that $1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Final round. We go. Winner is James Sticks, spot number 5. We went 16 times. Alright. There we go. Spot 5, James Stick is your winner. And now what do I do? Verified. There's the verified video thing. Okay, so now what do I do? Completed. Okay. Where verification code. Okay, click on that. Alright, copy, paste. We go in here. I'm going to type in, let's see, I got a time of 2:04. Alright, 2:04 time. 2:04 in here. Type in done. Okay. Here's your verification code. Paste that in there. There you go. And